Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Ame yera mona beda pe telokini luar mesha bashi ngiyoko ni kado koni umed the video face ni wera para rio no one do tike the party president one nang do tike the flag bearer kadi be the electoral commission no tawni otip mo chora medu gunino mecho yeme be president jen mewe diwa anache koni kadi do ko bi jawo shoye ishabita bilni one tike the president na medo delegate conference mo ko mewo mako bendera me chungu me ariyo piru ya bishia dang do amita kubini imoga me delegate conference adini nu UPC na doctor tell you na machiel me nunga makbendera me chungu be president na Uganda.
Uganda People's Congress Party has extended the term of office for the party president Akena James Michael Jimmy for a year. The Delegate Conference of UPC has opened the door for Akena to contest for more term. Thank you for watching Lao News Channel. I am Denish Ongora. Let's now look at the resolutions from the Extraordinary Delegates Conference of Uganda People's Congress. Uganda People's Congress has extended the term of office of that party president, Akena James Michael Jimmy, for 12 months. The resolution to extend Akena's term of office for another 12 months was made during the delegate conference, which was a hybrid that is both virtual and physical. According to the delegates, Akena has started serving his extended term effective after the conference, that is from the 26th of July 2025, to enable him and his party cabinet to organize and oversee the conduct of the party structure and national elections. Other resolutions from the meeting include the suspension of Articles 25(2) and 25(3) of the UPC Constitution 2008 as amended, which provides that any constitutional amendment by any member would require 3 months notice to the Secretary General and 1 month prior notice if the party president is the one initiating an amendment respectively before it's being presented to the delegate conference for consideration. The suspension was approved for the purposes of this extraordinary conference only. The conference also amended the UPC Constitution 2008 as amended to align the party constitution with the provision of Article 105 Clause 1 and Clause 2 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda of 1995 as amended, being that the Article 14(1) Clause 3 of the party constitution as it stands currently is in conflict with the Article 105, and yet Article 2 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda 1995 as amended states that this constitution is the supreme law of Uganda and shall have binding force on all authorities and persons throughout Uganda, and that if any other law or any custom is inconsistent with any of the provision of this constitution, the constitution shall prevail, and that other law or custom shall, to the extent of inconsistency, be void. This has opened the door for Akena to contest for more terms, contrary to the court ruling which he had blocked his nomination for the third term for the UPC party president 2025 to 2030. The conference also resolved that UPC remains a member of the Inter-Party Organization for Dialogue, HIPOD, where it shall always handle any matters with sister political parties as provided for under the Political Parties and Organizations Act Cap 178. Akena, in his statement after the conference, commended the delegates, who were about 800, for endeavoring to attend the conference amidst difficulties. Akena said he will now embark on reconciliation and unity in the party. The UPC Regional Vice Chairman for Lao, Chris Ngom, addressed the media after the conference and said they now have a presidential flag bearer that is none other than Akena. Thank you so much for watching Lao News Channel. Have a good time.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.